how to add Wen Lambo financial token on Metamask. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, to be able to add this token to Metamask, what you need to do, now go to contracts, as you can see, and click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now, open your Metamask for that. As you can see, now first of all, I will just log into my wallet to be able to add this token. Now, what you need to do after that, I will just close this window and I'll just click on cut it. Now what you need to do, from the top left corner, click here and make sure to select the Ethereum network. Now after that, what you do, just scroll down, as you can see here, and now click on these three dots here, and now click on import tokens. Now make sure to select the Ethereum maintenance, and now you can paste token address in the source token, as you can see. So if you can't find it here, you can now click on custom token and now select the network. I will select the Ethereum maintenance and now I will paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. So as you can see, this is our token WLFI, and now click on next. Now click on import, and now to make sure that you add this token to your wallet successfully, make sure to select the Ethereum network from the top left corner and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called WLFI. If you find it, it's mean that you add this token successfully. As you can see, our token added successfully to our wallet. So this is how to add WLFI token or Wen Lambo financial token on Bybit on Metamask wallets. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.